Hi guys, welcome back in Knowledge Reality YouTube channel. In this video, I will show the top most unique animals in this world. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative video. So let's begin. Number 5. Thorny Dragon. Thorny devils are small lizard native to Australia. These unique creatures are colored in camouflaging shades of desert, brown and tans. These colors change from pale color during warm weather to darker color during cold weather. Thorny devils are covered internally with conical spines. These thorny scales also help to defend them from predators. These lizards also feature a spiny false head on the back of their neck, which they present to potential predators by developing their real head. The false head is made of soft tissue. Number 4. Emperor Timiran. The Emperor Timiran is a species of Timiran, allegedly named for its resemblance to German Emperor Volume 2. It lives in the southwest Amazon basin in East Peru, North Bolivia and in the West Brazilian state of Acre and Amazons. The fur of the Emperor Timiran is predominantly grey colored with yellow speckles on its chest. The head and feet are black and the tail is brown. Outstanding is its long white braid which extend to both sides behind the shoulders. The animal reached a length of 23 to 26 centimeter. It weighed approximately 500 grams. Number 3. Sea pen. Invertebrates that anchor on the seafloor are not uncommon, but sea pens possess a few standout features. For one thing, they look like an old-fashioned coil pen. For another, they behave in a completely remarkable way. Sea pens colonize in groups and when stimulated light up, displaying on bright green light on the seafloor. It looks like someone flipped on a light switch, especially when groups emit light in sequence. You can find these light display in the Pacific Ocean from the Gulf of Alaska to California. Sea pens live in deep depth cover 40 feet but often under 250 feet. Number 2. Echolotor. Echolotor ambystoma mexicanum is pentamorphic salamander related to the tiger salamander. The species was originally found in several lakes in Mexico City. Echolators are unusual among amphibians in that they reach adulthood without undergoing metamorphosis. Echolator have outstanding ability to regenerate body organs and lost limbs. Echolator can regrow the same limb up to 5 times. The echolator is also over 1,000 times more resistant to cancer than mammals. Number 1. Sea insects. Finding a stick insect requires careful observation, as the name makes very clear. It resembles a stick. This, combined with the inability to stay perfectly still for long stretches of time, provide the stick insect with one of the most efficient natural camouflages on Earth. As National Geographic aptly puts it, there are many varieties of stick insects. One of the coolest is the giant prickly stick insect pictured here, native to Australia. It based the added feature of thorn-like spikes to further blind into its surroundings.